again a review meeting which we have every day at 3 p.m. and the objective is really to see the situation in the last 24 hours. So as you are aware, some people have started coming in, and obviously we are monitoring all those situations. So those reports are yet to come fully, but people have started trickling in. So first was to review that situation, and then there are some areas under the agriculture department where we needed to review some of the policies that were there. So in about 2 days time we'll be having a meeting in regards to that, and some decisions will be taken. So there was a small presentation, not a presentation but a discussion on that particular issue. Apart from that, we have also just discussed about the people who are stuck in other parts of the country, and obviously we are looking and exploring at different possibilities and options on how we could facilitate at an appropriate time. Of course not immediately, we're looking at all those aspects, but at this point in time we would urge all those citizens of our state who are stuck in different parts that to please bear and to please be where they are. It's a tough time, but it is in their interest and in the interest of their family and the state that they remain where they are. That will be the best way to move forward for the time being, and at appropriate time government will come out with the right policy. No, we have not decided on anything, as I said, because we have to look at all the possibilities. There are different parts of the country. It's a massive exercise which will require a lot of logistics, and obviously every logistical option will have its own challenges, its own I should say risks concerned with it. So therefore we have to look at all those aspects and then decide. So what we've done is that we have been discussing all the options, possibilities, and as of now we felt that the best option was to request them to stay where they are in their interest, as I said, and in the interest of the state. And while we are able to finish the first phase of ensuring that the citizens who are within the Northeast are able to come back first.
So by when are they reaching the Shillong or means with their own?
Yes, so some of them have already started entering. These are Northeast people only. So the people within the Northeast, quite a number have already started moving in. We are yet to get the exact numbers, but quite a few are moving in from Tikrikila. Some have come in through Bajingdoba also. Some are already coming through Barnihat and in Ratachara also. So the 4 locations are there. So people have already started moving in. In fact, in the morning we had shared the list of Assam people who are stuck here, and I have shared that list personally to the Honorable Chief Minister's office and to the PWD Minister's office also. And of course Chief Secretary also shared the list, and we have informed them that to make necessary arrangements from their side so that there could be smooth transition. So all the lists and information is with us, and we are sharing it with the concerned states.